Hello, and welcome to the Teach Me Forex Swing in Position weekly wrap-up session. This is Coach Eric bringing you the report for November 22nd, 2008. Alright, so let's get right back to last week. Well, when we talked to each other last week, we were up 73 pips and a couple of percent, but there was still some trades open. After they ran their course, our weekly total for last week was 372 pips, an increase of 17.7% on our accounts. Good job. The end justified the means. And now, let's take a look at this week. Take a look at how the number of pips is a little smaller and how the percentage is a lot bigger. So 350 pips, so couple 20 less pips than last week. This time all our trades are closed, but this counted and contributed to get us up to 31.4% on our accounts, and again all our trades are closed. You wonder how we do that? Well, we understand, and stay with us. We're about to show you how we do things, but first a quick word about how things are done in the swing in position team trade room. First of all, we look at two defined trading strategies. One strategy takes about 3/4 to 80% of all the trades, but nonetheless we look at those two mechanical strategies, so mechanical entry, stop loss, profit taking, everything mechanical. That's how we do it. We look at 4 different time frames: 15-minute chart, 1 hour, 4-hour chart, daily charts. Those are our time frames. In our pairs, our currency pairs, the euro, the pound, the Swissy, the yen, the Canadian, the EJ, the Aussie, the Kiwi. All our trades are taken using all the same criteria on one of these 4 time frames, on one of these 8 currencies. That's the common denominator in all our trades. Plus, we never risk more than 1% on any one trade at any one time. That's tight money management, and we're proud of it. So that means that there's absolutely no emotions involved. Just pure mechanical execution all the way. Alright, let's take a look at our results now for the week. This week, 11 trades in total were taken. Out of those 11 trades, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners. Oh yes, and guess what? We lost a little more, 6 losers. So that's the week, all in all. Most trades were taken off the 15 minutes. As a matter of fact, 8 trades were taken off the 15-minute charts and 3 only off the 1-hour chart. Alright, so let's drill down. Let's look at a few highlights. Our biggest trade of the week, and the way we like to call him our big kahuna. It came on our yen 15-minute chart here. 117 pips. Then there was another yen. The yen triggered a couple of times for us this week, and the first time actually gave us a little bit more compounding factor. So those 2 trades are a good highlight there. And our shortest win for the week, well, we got to go back to early in the week. Our Swissy 1 hour, we only made 55 pips on that one. Now let's flip the switch and look at, well, the not so great things we did. We're talking about our losers here. Biggest losers, well, we got a couple. Kiwi 1 hour, Aussie 1 hour. There, and respectively 15 pips there. And any loss that we incur, we'll never lose more than 1%, as I'll have you notice right now. Now, the smallest win of the week, well, that occurred, well, quite a few times. I mean, 15-minute, yen 15-minute, pound 15 minutes, Swissy 15 minutes. I mean, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. Oh, even the Aussie 15 minutes. So, yes, we did lose a few 10 pippers out of there. And these 10 pippers, they represent a percent as well. Alright, so this looks like our week. Oh, and the total once again, let's reiterate that. 350 big ones and compounding factor 31.4. Now let's go take a look at some trades that occurred. Okay, so here we go. We're looking at the yen 15-minute chart. Let's zoom out. We could see we see more red. We see a choppy downtrend. So we're looking to sell the yen this week and sold. That's what we did. Let's take a look at this. And let me please zoom in. Let me zoom into here. We need to go back here about, and I believe this is it. All right, this'll do. We picked the top right here on our yen. There, and the entry was exactly 9,700. Sorry. 9,700, a 10 pip stop loss. And what proceeded? Well, we proceeded to go down. Not right away, but we ended up going down as choppy as we could. And let's see, 96.30 was our first. Take some profit. And then 95.89, right at the bottom over here. 95.99, sorry, 95.89. Right on the continuation here, 95.64. Did we get there? No, we had to wait until this candlestick. And then 95.97, so somewhere right around here, we got taken out of our trades. Now let's see the total. That was good for 105 pips, and that compounded ourselves by over 10%. In that one little trade. Now let's keep on to the yen. We had another trade later on in the week, so let's go find that one. And here it is. Just like that. And well, let me actually expand this so we could take a look at how things occurred. So a little zoomy, and all right, we're there. So we picked the top. Well, again, that's our specialty. That's what we do. We take high risk, but we're aiming for high rewards. That's how odds end up favoring us. All right, so we picked the top here. The price was 95.76, 95.80, and we went as high here, just about 7-8 pips behind our stop loss. That held very nicely. And, well, then we proceeded to just shoot straight down. Red candles after red candles after red candles. And there was a little indicator that kept on telling us, you better take profit, you better take profit, you better take profit. This may reverse. And so we started taking profit, 94.74 there. Then we went 94.55, 94.43. And then we reverted to 94.85. I believe over here we got taken down that blue candle. That's as much as we took out of that. And that by itself accounted for 117 pips. We're looking at about 9% increase in your account just by taking that one trade and taking the profits mechanically where the system told you. I tell you. So that's it for the charts. So let's go back right here and wrap up our week now. So total for the week, 350 big ones. Compounding percentage, 31.4%. All of that on 11 trades in 4.5 days of trading with us. So that completes our report for this week. Thank you for being here. And hey, you're invited next week again for another Teach Me Forex Swing in Position weekly wrap-up session. And if you're wondering who we are, what we do, how we do it, or how to join us to call these trades here in our team trade rooms, please visit us at www.teachmeforex.com. And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful day.